Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. This video will show you how to adjust the travel limits on a garage door opener with a yellow Learn button. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. When you adjust the travel on your garage door opener, you're actually programming where the door will stop in the open and close positions. Every month, make a point of checking your door to make sure it opens and closes fully. If you need to make an adjustment, follow these steps. First, start by checking the balance of the garage door. Close the door using a remote control or the door control. Disengage any door locks. If a Chamberlain power door lock is installed, slide the manual release to the unlocked position. Disconnect the trolley by pulling down on the emergency release handle. Slowly raise and lower the door by hand, checking to see if you feel any resistance or obstructions. Raise the door halfway and let go. If the door is balanced, it will stay in place. Be sure to close the door when finished with these checks. Reconnect the trolley by pulling the emergency release handle back toward the garage door opener. The door will re-engage once it begins to move when you run the opener or move the door by hand. If your door has a problem with binding or sticking while opening or closing, or does not open or close fully, you may need to have your door serviced. After any adjustments, the safety reversal system must be tested. You will need a ladder to access the programming buttons. Lower the light lens to locate the buttons for programming travel. There are 3 buttons you'll use: the up button, the down button, and the adjustment button. Press and hold the adjustment button until the up button begins to flash. Now, press and hold the up button until the door is in the desired up or open position. To prevent damage to vehicles, be sure the fully open door provides adequate clearance. Once the door is in the fully open position, press and release the adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice and the down button will start flashing. Now, press and hold the down button until the door is in the desired down or closed position. Once the door reaches the correct closed position, press and release the adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice and the up button will begin to flash. Now, press and release the up button. When the door travels to the open position, the down button will begin to flash. Press and release the down button. The door will travel to the closed position. Programming the travel for your garage opener is now complete. Anytime you make any adjustments, the safety reversal system must be tested. To test the safety reversal system, open the garage door. With the door fully open, place a 1 1/2 inch board or a 2x4 laid flat on the floor, centered under the garage door. Press the remote control or wall-mounted door control to close the door. The door should stop and reverse upon contact with the 2x4. The door returns to the fully open position. The opener beeps and lights flash slowly 5 times. If the door reverses, remove the board. The test is complete. If the door stops and does not reverse, check that your garage door opener is installed properly. Refer to the manual for detailed instructions. Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com.